Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Grok AI. Firstly, click on the Use Grok link to visit the Grok AI website. To proceed, you'll need to create an X or Twitter account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Grok AI chat interface. This is where you can interact with the AI by typing your questions or requests. To use Grok AI, simply type your question or command in the chat box. Here are some examples, like what's the weather like in New York tomorrow, or can you write me a funny tweet about cats? Grok AI will quickly generate a smart and helpful response based on your input. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions or making new requests. Now that you know how to use Grok AI, go ahead and give it a try. You can access it through their website, or you can do it on your X or formerly Twitter account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.